I think you will be pleasantly surprised when you learn that you can use eyeshadow for your nail art. These are the colors I'm going to use. This one is going to be black. So this is the Intense True Black from Tammy Taylor Jelligance. Let's zoom in, zoom in. Okay, let's open this up so it's a little more colorful. In the background, Intense True Black. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. And the tacky layer is going to be our friend layer. Layer later. Going to do white in, oh, this one is French. Wait, did I show you that one? This one is French White Chocolate from Tammy Taylor Jelligance. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to do Dirty Martini because I really like this color. So I wanted to use it. Cure for 60 seconds. This is the brush I'm using, and I think I got this, I mean, it's like old now, but I think I got this from Sephora. And the eyeshadow palette, I got this from TJ Maxx. Yes. I think I got it from, it could have been Marshall's, but I feel like I got it from TJ Maxx. I'm not doing a second coat. I'm just gonna leave it as the first coat, but I'm gonna start with black and my fluffy brush. Make sure it's as clean as possible without being wet. What color should we choose? I feel like I want to choose this one. I'm gonna go for it. Don't want too much on your brush, just enough. But you're wiping some of it off anyway, so just make a dot in the center like that. Stab, 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 stab. And then wipe, 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 wipe. And stab, 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 stab. This is a great way to get some anger out. And it's not really working the way I thought it would. I know why. It doesn't have a tacky layer. Oh my gosh. Pro tip. Intense True Black is no wipe. Oh my god, how did I not know that? I guess I don't use this one very much. Okay. Change of plans. We're going to use Feroche Black. You know, sometimes plans just don't go according to plan. I'm putting one coat of this right on top because I'm not going to do this all over again. Well, I guess basically I am doing it over again. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. Good grief. Now that I'm waiting for this other one to cure, I just noticed this one. And that's so pretty. But I'm going to stick to that blue because I've been into cobalt blue lately and I really like it. Okay, that's been cured enough. Okay, stab your brush into the pigment and then again go right in the middle and then see how you got kind of a circle there. This is where most of the time I will just wipe this all off and I'll use the remainder of the pigment that's in the center to work my way, okay, get it centered, to work my way around making that aura look. Just stab, stab, stab. You know, like what I said before. Stab, 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 stab. And then you don't want to go all the way to the edge. That's like rule number one for aura nails. We don't want it totally covered. We do want it blended well. And then you use a no wipe top coat that I gotta go find. This is the no wipe top coat that I'm using. And I probably could use a new bottle of this. for sure. Okay, no wipe gel top coat. Right on top of that, cure for 60 seconds. While that's drying, clean this off with a dry towel as well as you can. You don't want to get this wet. I think I'm gonna do this one. Yes, I'm going to do it. Okay, go right in the middle. Kind of mark your spot and then dust off the rest. And then you can use the rest of it to step, 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 creating your little aura. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Whoop, that's a little too much. We don't want to get crazy here. Just a little bit more. Oh gosh, okay. Go right in the middle. Pull that off. Our no wipe gel top coat. And apply it right on top. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. Let's do the green. Well, let's brush this off first. What color should we do? Should we just do Instigator? Create your middle right there. I'm just gonna go for it instead of dusting it off. It might be too much, I don't know. Kind of have to play with it, especially since every brush is different. You don't know how much pigment it's gonna pick up. Okay, dust off. Dust, 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 dust. Step, 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 step. I don't know if that word is like against the rules, but I said it. I said what I said. Maybe this color wasn't the best, but sometimes when you put the top coat on, it looks better. Man, stay in frame, Rachel. Come on. Okay. Blow that off. Because you don't want extra pigment. Use your no wipe gel top coat called I'm Not Tacky by Tammy Taylor. I think this will look just fine. Cure for 60 seconds. Okay, I will say it definitely worked. Not that I'm surprised, I have done this before, but this color combo is pretty unique. And then you can like do flowers on top of it or little designs, hearts, or those little starbursts. That'd be so cute. Okay, thanks for watching.